My name is Sween.
I'm Tony, and we call the show
Sweeto.
Sweeto.
Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode.
May hapon, may buntag, may gabi sa iyong tanan.
Napakita, we have a guest in this episode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A very special guest.
Super special.
How special, Sweet? How special. Ah,
Special na
wait, this is episode 19, right? Tama ba? 19, 18, basta
Episode 19.
19, yeah. So, last episode, we were talking about sweldo sa mga newbies.
Yes.
And this episode is kind of like connects to that.
Ay, gituyo.
Wala. Connects to that because our talking special guest for this episode kay he's an old colleague.
Yeah.
We've worked with this guy for so long. Tapos from before pa kabulon ako na yana dyan yung turf niya about finances and all.
Actually.
No? No, so
Really, kanang knowledgeable and when he shares, okay,
this guy is full of wisdom.
full of wisdom. In many topics. In many topics.
Yeah.
So, this is
yeah.
where he's currently standing out.
I love that. I love that we always introduce ato ang mga guests ko sa kabalo. How do we introduce them? Basta like, masyak-syak sila on the spot as well. So, this guy is also known as the coolest guy sa office before.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. One of the coolest. Let's welcome Mon.
Mon! Yes, Mon!
Hey.
Yes, Mon. Finally mo na dayon.
Yes, finally. I think we were talking about this podcast for maybe 5-6 months ago pa katong nag-atutan
remember,
dito
the first
sa
time.
Sa Eden Banda, then mention na ninyo ni.
True.
Yeah.
And finally, naitabo na dyan siya. And
Yeah.
if wala mo kabalo, Mon also has a YouTube channel. And he's also on Instagram. He is like talking about
And Facebook page. So we will be putting the links in the
yes.
description.
So,
Yes.
ay Mon, sige na, before we jump into talking about sa imong socials, talk to us daw, tell us more about yourself.
Quick ideas, I guess, is
Yeah.
I'm my name's Mon. Murag classroom ba? I have one, my worst name.
Classic.
No, but like kidding aside, I'm a husband, a father, and I have a little son now. He's currently 4 years old. Those are my kind of like little personal tidbits. Pero in terms of professional life, Sween and Tony, we met before sa amuang previous nga agency, and then dito mi murag ka nang nasalang sa mga kung ano-anong mga bagay in the online world, mostly.
Matindi na training. It was good.
So doon kami nagkita, guys, and then kanang ano say tawag ani kanang ay pwede magbinisaya din ay sa
natin mo
sige English.
Bisaya mo.
Ganit sa ang BA man din so anad mo kita nga pag tayo atubang tag kanang Zoom call in English gud ta di ba?
Lagi. Bita.
So as Tony mentioned earlier, kanang my forte really is, or what I'm sharing online now is about business and finance for Filipinos. So business in the sense na tanaw na to sarili nga business owner ta when it comes to our online work, and the way we the way we carry ourselves and the way we deliver our services. Business owner ta, guys, dili lang ta ka empleyado or ingunana lang. I would encourage you to start seeing yourself that way. If murag mo start ka, syempre mo start ka sa uno, pero eventually as you grow mahimo jud kang business owner.
Tama.
And then of course financial management. So later on I will talk more about like finances jud kay isa jud ni sa mga core na murag kumbaga life experiences na ako nga murag naliso jud akong utok ba at an early age.
Naliso sa tama mga direction.
Yeah, I would think so. Yeah, I would hope so. I think so. I think it has produced a lot of good despite the murag difficult starting point, di ba? Pero mao na siya, guys. So mao na akong siguro ma-expect ninyo ani nga conversation is kanang more on hybrid siya sa online work and then financial world, and then how these two come together. So okay ba? Excited ba mo?
Excited na. Pero I mean, sige, sugod sa tamon. So, nag-meet me sa previous agency, previous job na mo. So, dito, Mon was a VA. VA put me, actually, kami tanan, VA me dito. And until now, VA gabon si Mon. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, paano lang?
I would interject a little bit nga.
Sige, go.
Yes, we started as virtual assistants, pero karon I would venture to say na not only can I do virtual assistant tasks, but I can also be a virtual consultant at this point. Nga ang tanaw sa ako sa akong client is dili na murag assistant per se, na tagaan na niya task, pero consultant na sa iyang business at the same time.
Nahan ka na.
So I'm not like trying to baga magbuhat ng sariling bangko, pero kanang kung kuan lang mamurag ang path of development ganini mo as a virtual world is depende ra pud kung asa jud ka dadon, pero kanang I find myself here now nya murag hingon na man pud ang positioning sa akong client ka murag pungutahan na pud siya mga kung unsang mga insight, especially in terms of organizing the business and kanang na one thing na I think I'm proud of it. I would say I'm proud of it na is when I started with my client like more than 1 year ago, murag wala ko kabalo nga mo dito ang iyang one of these lowest revenue periods in his entire business that has been running for 10 years or more. No, so
he hired you.
Yeah, because he was a hard gi-hire pagid ko niya. Wala ko kabalo ato nga time. And then basta weird to among path nga kanang murag day na toy time nga natoy month nga everyday mi mag-meet kay magstorya lang mi ana. Depending on sa ang iyang need at that time, but mostly kanang ani siyang deeply creative and intelligent na person ba mo ni akong client. Then kanang ang akong ma-support sa iya is organizing. Akong ginagamit day guys is Notion, so it's really worth learning Notion because it's a very kumbaga in nga kanang project management ka tool karon, even just for personal life gamit kaya Notion. So kanang I would recommend that you research it. Pwede ko magkwento-kwento gambay guys.
Of course.
Kay padayon lang. Paraway.
So nanay ka ng funny nga moment lang ba kay kanang last year katong ingon ako hire ko diba. Before I got hired, napo ko isa pud ka client nga kanang ang iya po is ay putong iya ang ginaasa ko is murag maghimo kog newsletter ana. So napo murag bali duha sila kumbaga. Pero kaning isa diri sa Pikas murag mas dako ang iyang offer, kaning isa dili kayo dako, no? Pero kaning isa gitagaan ko niya free nga course. And just so happened nga Notion ni nga course. So I learned it through this other client who was kind of hindi kayo dako nga offer, pero sige salamat, di ba? So I tried. Pero na timing po na busy kay ko ato sa live, wala gid ako natagad ang iyang need. Natunan lang ako tong Notion niya. Ano kasi ayaw na lang ko i-charge ani, ayaw na lang kay niya. Siya po na po siya struggle that time. So wala mi napadayon ato, pero na-learn na ako tong Notion. And when I mentioned Notion to this other guy who was like in the higher range, mauna po dito yung gina-study and gusto niya para sa business.
Nagamit ni mo.
So nagamit ako tuloy.
It's just aligned.
Yeah, to seal the deal with this client nga unsa gyud akong murag kanang core nga task to start with, no? So calendar management, Notion, making sure that events are happening and things like that, no? So it's been an exciting ride. Now we're using
exciting ba? No? Nagamit di mo. Mon, I love that story, no? Kay you mentioned ba nga isa ka butang na kanang wala na dayon, nahimo siyang way for you to ma-equip ka and naki something ma-offer pa sa imong client katong mas dako pag zagog sweldo. So, but before that, napo ko gusto i-point out with what you said ba? Kato ganing katong growth ba? Ang imo ganing ginatan-aw na growth, like how you position yourself, because I've also been talking about the same thing sa mga tao over and over again, like it's important how you position yourself, how you identify the pain points sa imong kliyente, and katong yung ganaingon ba nga, dapat ka sa point nga consultant level na kamurag di na ka basa-basa lang mo dawat lag task sa imong kliyente. You are now in a position wherein you can be pwede na ka pagtanong unsay dapat na approach, then you also give your opinion. Kay with that ba may mo kang valuable, di ba? Mas dako kag kanang say ba sa business, so di ka basa-basa malit go sa kliyente. But before that, Mon, yeah, go.
yeah, so kasi we're talking about finance, right? Like this is like so coming from a financial perspective, does it make sense to just hire somebody without the return, right? So murag ang consultancy nga diana, I will share with you guys basig lang ha. Tanawon pud ninyo unsang financial impact sa inyong ginabuhat sa ilang business because murag kanang kung mo kag kanang sige murag mid na to nga o say sabihin natin $500 yung kanang starting ni mga salary, diba? Sugod na sa kanang murag medyo kuan pa healthy nga expectation. Then kanang pero ang imong gina-contribute sa iyang business is it makes him maybe 500, 600, 700, maybe even double the amount that you're getting paid, 1K worth imong value. So what client in the right mind would let you go? Diba?
Agree. It's like giving value ba? Like making yourself valuable. Actually, na-mention po din ni Reggie is na kasi one of the things we asked him was repetitive ba ang work? But then he actually parang positioned himself as consultant. He indirectly said it, pero murag nga na good na. Karagaling siya na ang mag-recommend, siya na ang mag-recommend of process, system that would make the client's life better.
Yes.
And applications, whatever's new, ganyan good.
And to the newbie listening to this, don't feel intimidated by this murag kanang medyo high level na nga talk ba kay kanang it will naturally happen. You just need to keep your eyes open, paminaw lang, internalize. Ayaw kayo kanang acne ba? Kabalo mo ng acne? Dili ka ng pimple ka nang alam ko na yan na mindset. kanang murag hawd kayo tanaw sa sarili ba kay dili jud no naagi tay mga points of weakness no. So kanang if you just keep your eyes open and remain like with a humble perspective na murag close ka sa reality most of the time, siyempre there's room for imagination and dreaming, pero balik ta sa reality, then kanang you can really what I'm trying to say, like parang kanang it will naturally happen nga these ideas will come to you. No, kanang murag makahatag ng mga insightful nga comments sa imong client, you can ask the right questions. It will naturally happen through time, but you need to kind of, just take the time to do these things. So
invest, and yeah, that's true. It will come naturally as long as you really truly like immerse yourself sa business sa imong kliyente.
Yes.
You learn the ins and outs. Kay tama nindot kini nga point mo kay most of the mindsets, if not all, dakan jud ko madunggan nga murag sweldo ba kana ganing mahimo na ko ning task, okay na. Now because dili kay okay mo sweldo diri mangita pa kog more, not knowing that the client that they have right now, there's so much potential in there. Kung ilan na jud gituslo ilang lawas ito ba, ilang ilublob lang lawas ito to a point na dakan sila matun-an nga pwede nila nga katabang pa, dakan pa sila pwede na kanang masuggest, kanang ma-offer to a point nga tama no, nakatabang ka sa business, therefore ikaw gyapon ang first sa makinabang.
Oh yes. I have 2 points to speak to that, no. Number one, what you were saying, the word for me is sincerity in what you do. Kanang wala gani halo nga murag nanliba ka or kanang kanang you deeply care about your client and their business and their outcomes and their results. You don't just care about your paycheck. I mean, we do care about our paycheck. Obviously, why would we get into this if we didn't need a paycheck, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or a retainer fee, if you call it that. Pero kanang kung inguna na atong ginabutang, guys, di ba kabalo man ta nga makitaan man na nato kung there's somebody who's not being sincere with us, masimutan man na nato.
From afar.
Ginailad lang tani you can I mean you guys can tell, di ba? Mabasa man na nato. So what makes us think na dili na mabasahan sa atong client?
Yeah, agree.
That's number one. Like there's this murag kailangan po nato ma-develop ning sincerity now in our heart. Now with what we're doing, we're really pouring it out. And kanang murag if you do that, in murag coming from that, nga murag nagi kay love ba? So I will really use the word nga murag na kay love for what you do and you're pouring it out, then your client will feel it. You don't have to tell them. they will feel it based on your results and based on the way you carry yourself, the energy you bring to every interaction, which is another point na kanang this will make them remember you. Like I can remember kaning client na karon ana ko nganong gi-contact man ko nimo after all these years nga why did you come back to me? Yeah. Na curious lang pud ko ba ana siya nga when I remember kato nagastorya ta sa una, you were just kind of really on top of things and you were able to kanang take so guys kani murag strength na ninako siya nga kanang murag mo facilitate kog meeting, mo organize kog things ana murag mo na siya kung strength and that's murag lain mo gitag strength layo ba na tao nga technical kay sila strength pero dili sila kanang strength diri sa meeting ana so kana manggawas lang po ng mga strength nato nga what people remember us for no so mo to siya number 1 murag appeal to siya sincerity and competency. Number 2, to speak to your point, kani guys, brace yourself because this is a powerful point.
No,
sorry na pag-build up.
Bracing yourselves. Quick patril.
It's not just what you do, but it's who you serve that matters. Okay? Guys, kung how kayo mo skilled kayo mo sa inyong work, di ba? Pero ang inyo gi-offer na ninyo na yung skills dito sa kanang low earning a small business versus the same level of skill to a high earning, high value business. Who do you think will pay you more?
The high earning.
Obviously, right? Like who do you think will value you more? If dili ka ga-contribute sa ilaha, meaning na take away nimo tong ilang problema, so sila mas makaproduce pa sila og kwarta, meaning they can pay you even more.
Yes.
However, katong lower na na business, there's nothing wrong with that, by the way. They're just starting out. They're just not in the position to give you all that yet. And kung unsa man tong ma-take away nimo nga kuan sa ilaha, na stress sa ilaha, dili pa kayo nila ma-multiply ang value sa imo ang ginahatag for them. So, again, it's not just what you do, it's who you serve. So guys, what I'm trying to really say is take care of those business relationships. Ayaw nga basta-basta lang katong inginit Tony gani nga kay kuan ngita pag kwartaan ay dili don't take it for granted. Mo ra ginaingon.
And I think nindot ka na point na mo no and all these little projects that you're starting out as a newbie karon unsa man imong nasudlan karon can be something as a good starting point for you to build yourself. So when the time comes that you get that chance to work with these huge firms, companies, mas ready na ka, mas mula mo na ka ba versus looking at always for something bigger company bisag wala pa rin mo na-establish imong kaugalingon karon. Ano ba? I mean, I love the point na kailangan nimo bisag kinsa pa rin mo katrabaho karon, do your best. Kay wala ka kabalo whatever yung makuha that you can use it somewhere else.
Yes. To that point as well, bay nga kanang I would suggest if you're starting out, it would be very helpful for you at this point I mean, it's always helpful pero kanang you have to start documenting, building your own portfolio. Kanang maghimo lang gud mo kanang Google kanang folder nga mga resulta sa inyong trabaho ba. If it's something that you design, if it's an automation that you created, if it's like a workflow that you create, something, like document all those things year by year, month by month. Naturally, you will have a portfolio na if somebody asks, ano yung mga resulta sa akong trabaho, anytime, it's ready there. It's in your Google Drive. So katong book ni James Clear nga Atomic Habits ang pangalan. I mean, it has done a lot for me nga kanang in terms of my personal life, but one thing that I can share with you right now is he in terms of transforming your life, important nga you gather pieces of evidence toward the identity that you want to build. So in our case here, we're trying to build this identity nga we are a skilled online worker, we're a skilled online nomad, consultant, you find the right term that will fit your current identity and situation, di ba? Na mo communicate kung unsa ang imong ginabuhat and what you want to become and what you are actually doing. Pero kanang ang iyang ingon is you gather these little pieces of evidence that would reinforce it in your mind nga na kay nabuhat inani after 1 month, 3 months na kay like a series of pieces of evidence. You can use the Google Drive to do that or balik na sa Notion, you can also use Notion for this purpose. Kung gusto niyo course sa Notion, I don't know, let me know. Patuloy mo sa kuan dagan man sa kuan, dagan man sa YouTube na that can give you that support. Pero the quick idea there is use the calendar view when you're creating a database. Mo nang mga keywords nga ako i-drop sa inyo diri karon para para mabawaan ninyo ang sound to create that long list of evidence telling you and telling your client kung unsa imong kaya buhaton. No cap ba? Mga sa mga Gen Z ka. No cap, bro.
Pero Mon, here's the thing.
Yeah.
Because we know you as someone who loves to read. You all reading, doing this listing and all is your way of working sa imong self.
Yes.
That's something that not everyone is would think na importante ba. Labaw na kadagay labaw na kanang stress kasi sa trabaho nila or focus kasi sa ginahimo tapos ang ilang next goal is to find ways on how to kadagay mag-distress. So that's the reality jud mostly sa mga tao nagatrabaho. But right now what I'm hearing is that importante jud kay to find that time as well nga to continue kay ang uban magod the way they kanang grow is they learn a new skill, learn new tool, watch webinars, watch videos. That's one. Pero sa imo it's so kanang naka-introspect siya ba process na kanang you wanted to build yourself para for build yourself and who you are in the process so that you know exactly how you position, how you kanang sell yourself sa next mong projects and how you can be more kanang mahimo kang expert with what field you chose, diba? So nindot siya mo and I mean I as always man sa among mga guests we are always learning sa ari na episode.
Yes, I want to check out that book. Because it's good. And it's a great tip then from one on building portfolio. It's one of the things also that a lot of your followers actually ask na how to build a portfolio. Pero I digress. Because Mon, how long have you been parang a freelancer?
Yeah, because basically you're a freelancer now.
Yeah, you're a freelancer.
Yeah. So beyond the agency work, I think I've been kanang kung ang total nga online work experience, maingon ako 9 years. Pero freelance, jud, I think 4 years nga kanang freelance.
One of the questions, like you personally, we wanna ask, what were your like financial struggles when you started working freelance? Kasi this is when we started like receiving, money there from the client, and it's good pay, and it's a green cash. So,
pero yeah, to put more context mo, realidad karon sa mga freelancers, so sa mga tao nga nagtatrabaho, labo na with direct clients is makuratan sa kadako sa sweldo. Dili oram siya in reality. And it has been a joke even sa akong mga post na, uy, di ka nagitag-utang, sige na tag-utang, but we still work. Sige na trabaho para sa utang. And beyond the joke, there's really that reality nga. Dili, labo na ka ng feeling mo deprived ka for so long.
Yeah.
Feeling mo nga, for so long, you wanted things and all, and hindi mo siya mapalit. And the moment you start earning good money, beyond what you imagine, you start buying all these things.
Yep.
Mahulog sa kanang utang.
So, no?
Diretso, wala man tayo, utang jud siya. So, sa imong experience mo, before kumuha na sa imong take on this, have you, agi ba kasi na problem or challenge?
I think so. But even before that, guys, like, yes, I can relate. Pero before that, sige, duha ka butang dire 2 stages. First stage is online work ko, freelance, pero gamay kayog sweldo.
Okay.
Gamay jud kayo kanang murag di oras lang ang charge ba. Then di oras gani, and then kuan pa jud kanang gamay pa jud rate, no? So duha to ka butang dili full time, gamay pa jud rate. So literally mahurot akong kwarta sa bugas. No, murag like bugas and then biscuits or whatever. So naagi po ko ingon na nga sa freelance nga career, no, na naipit jud ta katong pandemic ato moment to. Kanang murag feeling nimo slow kayo ba niya. Mahadlok pud ang mga clients nga mo invest, mahadlok sila kay sila pud ipit pud sila. So
weird economy then.
And we're still feeling it a bit now, pero we have to learn the lessons there na dili nato kalimtan unsay nahitabo ato, and like, you know, but that's a totally different conversation. I guess what you can take away from there is the importance of an emergency fund. We can tackle that later. Number 2, second stage kato guys, katong nibuto na naagi ni trust sa ato nga dako-dako pud sila gihatag, no? So to handle this difficult, different po siya nga difficulty nga murag dali siya pero lisod siya. Siyempre dali siya kay wow, what a big problem, right? Like you have so much money para wow, sana all, di ba? How to be you po, sir.
So,
if you're watching this, comment book how to be you po daw.
Siyempre, like real talk guys, like bakit mo i-aspire? Kasi gusto mo na ma-experience na yun sa life, di ba, na yung mga gusto mo bilihin, kaya mo bilihin. Kung dati maibog yun ta, di ba, gusto ko mo palitan na, pero dili gid makaya. Priorities, kuan lang, murag bills and the food, and then that's it. Murag ito makaya. Pero karon makaluag-luag tagamay, murag naanay mga few things nga kung gusto na ko siya, kaya na ko siya paliton. No? But it took time to get there. And this is the key, guys. If you are married, then the important thing there is murag kami sa akong wife, we're both freelancers, no? So every start of the month nagamiting jud me. Okay, na may spreadsheet. Ana unsay asa padulong atong kwarta, pilay mo sulod karon, asa padulong tanan. Kabalo mi asa mo adto among kwarta. I mean, this is what I always say. If you don't give your money orders, somebody else will do it for you. Okay? Kanang marketing sa SM, kanang marketing sa Shopee, kanang mga ads na pakita nimo sa Facebook, they are telling you what to do with your money.
It will control your mind.
Okay? So, how to budget. And then if you're, you know, not married, no, not looking to get married, or padulong pa dito, single, isa na, depende sa imong situation, then have that meeting with yourself. You know, like, what I'm trying to say is set aside time for this important thing. Like, plan out your month. Plan out how much is coming in and plan out how much is coming out. Asa padulong ang kwarta. So that you can, okay guys, this is the important thing, because a lot of people search how to budget online. Okay, it's not just that. It's not just how to budget. What they're actually looking for is how to control their own emotions, how to make good decisions. That's what they're actually looking for. Kailangan yun ang ating i-develop, our emotional control. It's actually a self-control thing. Like if you are angry, hungry, or like sad, or like whatever, happy, so happy with your money, nahala patakagasto ana, you have to understand that connection. The next thing is the ability to make good decisions. This is another thing that you want to develop further for yourself, na kabalo ka mo assess sa situations, sa need, kabalo ka mo basa sa situation, kabalo ka mo understand sa resources, unsay best, what is the best decision for this area of responsibility. It might be you are responsible solely for yourself, or it might be responsible ka for a small group such as a family, no? So what is best for this situation? That's the mark of a good decision. Kanang mas makita na ganin mo ang common good. Dili lang kay imong sarili lang imong i-please, no? So
impulsive decisions.
Yes. No, so those are the two things na important dira sa how to budget nga conversation. Emotional control,
I feel like
good decision making skills.
I feel like you're talking to us. It's really like, tama, this is like a live session.
Oh shucks, I didn't mean it that way, but like, okay.
Ay, sige, wait lang. I need to shout out kay Toneng, because Toneng also needs this.
Itag
So, ako ang budol buddy si Toneng, which also one knows si Toneng.
Yeah.
Everyone know, like, dili siya di ay anak kasayon lang na tanaw ni mo unsa ang needs for this month, tapos kanagingon sa tanan ba nga 60, 30, 20, may nainana ba nga marag 60% goes to the bill, that 30% goes to this, 20% goes to your dili ka nang marag imong mga wants, inana ba, like when you really go dive into this one, dili siya basta-basta nga mo ni siya ang ato. Okay, there's so many things you need to figure out. It's not just the money, but also ultimately you have to really kanaganing assess yourself ba, learn sa imong kaugalingon nga how to control yourself, how to not allow the external factors control you unsa imong needs inana. Kay the only time makaingon ka nga you can have better judgment or make good decisions is when you know how to control yourself and because you have better understanding kung what's sa jud ang mo padulong sa imong kwarta, what's sa jud ang importante para sa imong karon. Kay basta yun kay like when people would ask me, ano ko sila nga, okay naman ang gasto mo karon, nagsugod pa man mo, like enjoy sa ninyo, pero of course ay mo kalimot mag-save kay para asa kami ingon mo ganina para asa magta nagtrabaho ba sin kung ato pag pre ba tong kaugalingon nga magpakagutom-gutom tenana. I mean, sometimes you need to buy stuff because it allows you to be happy because you're investing to yourself.
Yeah. But at the same time also, like, guys, I'm not against like spending to make yourself feel good and happy. I mean, I do it. Like, I'm gonna be a hypocrite and say like, wala jud mura ka lang. Wala ko kapalit sa Starbucks. Save. No, sir. Hangtod sa hangtod mag-save lang jud ka. It doesn't make sense. You have to be able to make like I said, make good decisions and put money into the things that you believe in, the things that you love, the people you want to support. Diba? This is one key reason why we try to make money.
Yes.
Di man, just murag namo ko personal experience pero murag na feel na ko nga murag humble brag naman kayo ni. Tapos
control yourself.
Gabi, diba? But the point is, the point that I was trying to make is kanang makasupport mo sa mga tao nga they really need something. No, kanang murag mabasa gid mo sa ilang situation nga kailangan nila support. So kana angay nga tabangan. Dili naayo ba nga tao nga murag ka ng dawlim, di ba? Di ba putaganaan ka? Iana lang sila. Atag lang sila for no good reason. So you're in that position of kind of responsibility and accountability towards the resources, di ba? It takes time to get there. Pero to speak to it a bit more kanang murag in a specific and practical sense, tama to nga kanang mga what you see sa internet, what you hear sa internet, medyo surface level lang ang ilang mahatag. I mean, how much data can you get from a reel, right? It's like less than 1 minute or 30 seconds. So, what I really recommend when you're trying to build your finances is, of course, awareness. Number one, awareness. Pila ang sulod, pila ang gawas. Before you do anything else, dapat aware ka. Aware ka sa imong emotional decisions, emotional state. Is this a good decision? Murag mo balik ka nga i-assess nimo for 1 month. Observe lang good. Don't make any changes yet. Observe. Observe what's going on, what's happening. And then at the end of the month, do you like what you observe? Obviously namagit siguro na yung namag silang mga points nga pwede nimo ma-improve. So dito mo tweak na kagamay dito. What I'm emphasizing here, guys, is you build the ability to create your own rules, to create your own financial rules that will be appropriate for you and your situation. I mean, it's good to hear like 30, 40, 60, whatever, dun sa mga gina-share sa internet. Pero, guys, real talk, like sometimes kung starting pa imong sweldo, dili ba nimo na kaya? Kaya ang imong kaya is 100% bills. 100% sa imong kwarta bills. Walay mabilin.
Negative pa magani. Negative pa most of that time.
So good ka diha. And then like slowly, maybe 1% or 2%. Kung nagsugod yun sa pinagamay, mao lang gina ako matabi. 2% sa akong tibok nga kwarta. Then good, start with that. And then slowly build it up. Nga 5, 10, 15. Di pa ta kaingon basig mga 90-10 na ta, di ba? 90. Expenses, investments, whatever, 10% lang ang kailangan. Kaya nakadakoy mong sweldo, di ba? Pasanaol na lang talaga kaming lahat ito, di ba? Ganyan na lang mangyari.
So, there's what I'm getting out from this is you can start small. It's not how big you're saving from the start. It's the consistency. Bisa bagtag 1%. Then nice steady nga growth, hinahinay na growth to a point na makaingon ka na komportable na niya kung ganahin mo and medyo stable na and marag gamay na nako ang ako ang mga needs, di ba?
Oh yeah,
we need.
Do not despise humble beginnings. Do not despise small beginnings. Appreciate them and then cultivate and let them grow, and then eventually you'll just be surprised. Masurprise ka sa imong character arc, kumbaga imong development to. Ang mga tao.
Ako ma-remember man baka to ganing I don't know katong great things come from small beginnings.
Kasi kanina, Jollibee.
Milo, siguro na. Or Milo
every day.
Yes. Sige mo, we know that this topic about finances and how to really navigate through this world, kailangan mo dyan yung world ng finances na labaw na kanang most of us, I think most of the people would are watching and listening to this kay dili pa gyud sila anak kanang aware ba, dili sila anak educated, and dili pa kay nila makita diretso tungod kay labaw na kung na steady flow sa income, di mo jud makita ang need mo gani. Okay ra na dapat ko isweldo para maintain, but guess what, it's not always the case because nothing in this world is permanent. So labaw na aning freelancing world na dili man jud steady ang trabaho, we don't know, but the next day ugma what ay lagkin kalit inana ba. So I also understand, like I know I've had this conversation with you na because Mod is a financial planner, everyone, and isa ko sa nag-reach ko kay Mod 2 years ago, nagtry and we were talking about kasi mo rin dito kanang gingon ni Mod kaganila ba na atong sa sugod di mo siya ka-afford. Di siya kaya. So katong time when I felt like I can do it na. I think kaya na nako siya. Katong nga time, di na pud ko pwede for another reason. It's because of like health issues.
Health, yeah.
So the country mga butang ba na makaingon kasayangan no sa una unta ano. Sayanga unta ano kung
bisog din
ako. However pud dili when I also try to really kanaganing isip na siya tarong di man gid kaya sa kung saon ako. Bisag kung saon dyan ako kisi-kisi magligid ko sa karsada, di gid ako siya kaya because it's just not possible because there's so many things I need to pay for me to survive, and it's like paycheck to paycheck back. And now that we have now buying power. We have buying power and we started investing on things. Like I know you Mon, your guys are also investing. Pero Mon, for those ba na kanang karon gasaka ang sweldo, gasaka. What is your suggestion that ilang unang himuon para napoy ka may security for them, for their loved ones?
Oh yeah. So first of all, congratulations guys kasi umaakyat na yung sweldo nyo, di ba?
Congratulations. Sa tanan, congratulations.
There's room for everyone. Hapon.
Yes. Ito dos wala pa yung kliyente na minaw karon. You will have your time.
Oh yeah. Don't worry guys because it's a growing industry.
It is.
In the next 3 years, like there's a lot of opportunity here. YouTube, online business, it's projected to triple in the next 3 years. So don't be afraid, no, to really invest and learn here. Going back to your point of safety. Sorry. Murag nawala na yung flow, guys.
That's okay. Yung mga
Alright.
suggestion, ano yung mga bagong sulod nga nag-earn ka ng dago na how to be secured?
So, suggestion, first line, na something that I learned in college, commandment, thou shall not compliance. Okay? Thou shall... Lalo naman na, guys. Kumpiyansa.
Thou shall not compliance. Tawa dyan.
May kumpiyansa, no? Be contented with what you have. Appreciate na nakakitrabaho. Salamat, Lord, nakakitrabaho, nakakipambayad sa akong bills. I can take care of the people I love. And this is a beautiful place in life, no? So the struggle there, you will learn character development. You will become stronger through time. If you just slowly, like if you heard earlier in the podcast on saan pag-grow, nga mo-grow ginapod ng inyong responsibility. And with responsibility comes money. You know, pag responsible ka, tagaan jud ka og more opportunities. So anyway, to create that level of security, no, di magisayon nga 100% secure, pero common na mo kaini nga you build like an emergency fund. That's the first thing you do. Like build an emergency fund. I have a video on like GoTime, like if you want to build like your fund.
Yes. Yeah. And that's actually the reason why I use GoTime now.
Yes. I'm glad I was able to convince you.
Mga consumers. I call people that kind of like, I don't want to call them followers because like I'm feeling Jesus. I would call them consumers instead. People who consume my content.
Yeah, or like
Right here.
So appreciate that, guys. Thank you. Likewise, no. So anyway, like That's the economy. That's the creator economy we're talking about now. So yeah, so build that emergency fund, and I recommend that in another video nga kanang what you do is murag milestone sa ba? Murag ang basis gud nimo ana is imong monthly spend and imong monthly income, no? Pero don't focus on the income. Focus on what you're spending. Mao ni ang imong basis sa pag-gauge sa imong needed nga emergency fund. Kaya ang gasto man gid ang consistent.
You know what?
So
Bilang ang income.
So number one, I was talking about awareness earlier on. Dapat aware ka kung pila gyud ang needed every month. So let's say hypothetically 30k ang kailangan nimo to spend every month, 'di ba? Hypothetical lang, let's say 30 or maybe 50k, no? It depends on your situation. Pero sabihin natin 30k. So ang first milestone mo is 25% of that, which is 7,500. Ang next milestone mo is 50% of that. You celebrate all these milestones slowly but surely.
Wow.
So on and so forth. Like 50 and then double and then 1 month's worth of emergency fund. Meron ka na build mo yun. Daan-daan lang yan guys ha. Girecommend ko yun kanina na you can set aside 1%, 2%, 3%. Of course, kung gamay ka gibutang, it will take you longer to get there. But that's fine. At least you're making progress. Kasi after 10 years.
Wait, the first time by saying,
well, what's the point of an emergency fund really? I was thinking to myself, unsa bagay point ng emergency fund? What benefit do I get out of trying to build something like this? And para sa kuha, balik ta dito sa decision making skills. Kaya kung ipit mo ka sa kwarta, you tend to make a lot of bad decisions. Kasi stress na ka eh. So you might try to get like very risky loans. And then you try to siguro tinuod magid na medyo ulaw magbaro og money, no, 'di ba? Medyo mahiubos ta kay nang lanta, pero at the same time kung naagi actual nga need ay pud mo kaulaw guys, kiniagi pud mi diha nga kanang murag baon na mi sa hospital bills and everything.
ala na ba?
It's part of the human experience essentially. Pero kung kanang mag-ulam ka kwarta kay mo birthday si ani ana kuan I
hate that.
I hate that, dude. Like just have a quiet dinner at home. Like why the heck do you need to borrow money for that?
Kailangan
Kaya nung ko sa una sa Buda, na-answer yung mag-adto.
mas mo ulit sa Buda mino sa among episode karon, no, pero naay mato sa balay mo kasi tagdala niya
DVD player.
Signal ka ng disc.
Tapos pagpangatan na naman sa unang kwarta, pang birthday, pang bunyag, and we're like,
Di pang birthday, Jud.
Pang birthday.
Grabe niya. Kailangan niya 4K. Tapos I was looking at the DVD player, like, di naman nakabutog 300 pesos.
So this is what I'm talking about earlier. This is like emotional control and social awareness. Kasi you're trying to be a people pleaser actually. Like you're just trying to flex some social creds, like saying, kaya na kong party ani ana. So you want people to see you a certain way. That's probably it. I could be wrong, pero yan yung parang initial ko na take na parang ano mag-people please man ta, 'di ba? I mean, it's part of the human as well na mura gusto na to nga gwapong tanaw ang laing tao sa tuwa, pero this is my take on it. You can be pleasant to deal with without being a people pleaser. No, it's kasi it's inner, it's based on you nga gusto nimo, you want to be kind, you want to be gentle, but also firm with your boundaries, which brings me back to the emergency fund. Kung nakakay kwarta, wow, what a transition, guys, though. Wow.
Dapat balik. Actually, balik to the point.
Yeah, we reel it back into the point. Ay, nanig yung mag-jam nila, Tony, guys. So, sit back and enjoy the ride. Kanang kwan, guys. The emergency fund, you build it so that you have enough to support you when the time comes na ay job loss, na ay medical emergency, na ay malfunction sa equipment, for example, vehicle ninyo, if you're managing one, no? Pasalamat ta kay nataga-antag sa kinan di ana ta, no? Pero emergency na siya at that point. So at least makarakterize ninyo ba namoy rules kung unsa ba gyud ang meaning sa emergency. Di alam kung mukuha sa akong emergency fund, dili kay maka-shopping ko karon. So na-sale dito sa mall, that's not an emergency, guys. That's a shopping emergency. Okay? shopping emergency. So that's why I recommend GoTime kay magbutang po mo dito sa inyong shopping fund. Kay guys, we want to shop at least decent clothes, right? Like di man naingon nga ano, di man po sakto nga. Oh, decent man good. Like
Decent
clothes.
clothes.
Low-key, maligig merch.
Hey guys, so muna siya, no? When it comes to building an emergency fund, it allows you to make good decisions even if naipit ka, even if the situation is rough, since nakay buffer, you will still not make any bad decisions financially or socially or anything like that because nakay kumbaga buffer lang gamay ba, nga dili ka maipit. It's actually about making good decisions, great financial decisions that will continue to build up towards your future.
Yeah.
Which is like another thing, guys, I'm working on a video right now. I feel like it will be great for like what's the best investment you can make. That's number one. And number two, how you can earn 20 to 30% more as an online freelancer. Watch out for those two videos because those will be mind-blowing and amazing. All right? I believe in it so much, guys. That's why ginasabi ko na sa inyo ngayon. You gotta tune in. You gotta tune into that later on. Pero I don't want to get ahead of myself too much.
Yes,
No,
yes. We will make sure to put the link to your channel.
Guys, I totally appreciate that. So yes, but I mean, how are you? I just want to speak to the audience a little bit. Like, how are you liking this, guys? So enjoy the conversation. Are you getting something out of this? I mean, at least let us know in the comments so that medyo ma-understand lang po namo kung sa inyong mga thoughts and mga emotions sa inyong mga na-feel aning conversation nakatabang mo ni sa inyo let us know.
You know,
yep.
At least personally I can say that kamulo ka nang I know kamulo ka kasabot na good ka. Most of the things we discuss right now kasabot kabalo good ta. Pero sometimes so kailangan naging another person to tell you ani na siya.
To
remind you and also to validate tama jud lagi. Tapos through this conversation mas nahanay siya ba o kanang mas nagaag more context so mas mag-make sense siya sa akong una karon. Honestly we do have challenges when it comes to finances, not because kulang but because nahimo dili because kulang ang gina-earn pero nahimo siyang kulang because of our decisions. Bad decisions.
Mm-hmm.
And so hearing all these things makes me, and like what I truly understand through this conversation is that ikaw ra gyapon ikaw gyud ang source sa tanan problema. Imong sarili ra jud kay kanang katulagi ang pagpalit decision man nimo. Ang pag-decide, pag-identify which things ang important ikaw man gyapon to. And if you lack awareness, if you lack all these things, information, if you lack planning, if you lack control to yourself, dili jud mahimong effective sa usapang klaseng steps or approach ihatag imong himuon kung ikaw mismo wala jud kay willingness to also sacrifice. Sacrifice kung murag ayaw lang sana karon.
And sometimes it's not like a very big sacrifice, if you know you're about to make an emotional decision, just pause for like give it 3 days at least. Like parang naraman na dira ng butangan na I don't need to rush to buy it. Lang good. I mean, I have the money, I'll just pause for 3 days and if I come back here and it's still there, then that means it's meant to be, I'll buy it. Ganyan. What my wife and myself do right now is namin naka-allocate good nga murag do what you want with it money in a month. Murag no questions asked. If you want to spend it wherever, no questions asked.
Hindi na siya 6-figure man.
I wish it was.
The one figure man said, okay ra kay.
6-figure do anything, ma-Mr. Beast level na tana, maglabay na ta kwarta bisag asa.
So, that makes so much sense bitaw.
Yeah.
Ikaw, what's your realization listening to this?
There's a lot to learn pa.
Okay, sa mga nagduamon, I used to manage the finances.
Okay.
Tapos ipasa na ako sa iyahan.
And it was a learning experience for me. Weakness na ko ang finances, money, accounting, anything money related. Weakness to siya. And I would hope to say that I've gotten better.
She is.
Yeah.
She is better now. Okay. It was a struggle for her, Jud. Kay di siya kamala sa padulong. Kasi sa among duha, ako nakabalo, like, I know better when it comes to allocating which things to buy, labo na sa balay household ba. I know what to buy sa grocery, like
He makes the grocery list.
Like,
Siya geared.
because ako man ang house chores, so I know I know better. She works most of the time. So when she kind of like assumes the post kaya parang struggle siya kaya asali padulong yun ana, but I let her be inana to a point that she now knows okay diri padulong ang kwarta mo ni ang need dito, pero I think what I learned that we can do siguro is to have that meeting monthly so that we know exactly asa padulong kay right now what's happening, like we need to pay this
Meet with myself.
Yeah, because what natay budget siya nga. Wala pa ko nag-budget, wala pa. So, marag dili malingkuran ng budget not until marag urgent na siya.
Yeah.
Ano good?
Yeah. It's like a set monthly meeting talaga at the start of the month na dapat mag-schedule din mo sa inyong calendar. Ibutang yun na ninyo because it's so important. You know why, guys? Like, you know why it's important? You work 4 to 8 hours a day just to earn a paycheck. It's that important to you. Tell me it's not important. Are you telling me it's not important? It's not important to make a meeting for that? No, so I would disagree with you because you're working for it. Like 4 to 8 hours a day, ginahatag na nimo, even sometimes even more. Ginahatag nimo diraw nya dili na important sa imo, dili important to plan, organize, control and direct your money. I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe kailangan ma-learn ng skills, maybe kailangan to put a little bit of energy and effort into it. A realization perhaps, pero of course it starts with this level of just being self-aware and accepting the reality, no, na dili ta may magpaingon nga napa magitay kailangan ma-learn. Daghan pagigid kayo pwede istorya na ni money psychology, money what's the term, like investing, like kanang asa gwapo ibutang ang kwarta, what's really the best investment, daghan kayo tag pwede istoryaan, guys, pero dili lang sa siguro kay sugod na sa ta diri, no, mag-aanay lang.
We can have another episode for this for sure. A lot of people wanted to hear more about you and what you can do, and ito ba, like, pero the question is asa nindot ibutang ang kwarta, guys. If nangutana mo asa nindot ibutang ang kwarta, I can send you guys my bank accounts.
Don't let it stop there. I'll put it in the description. My cash too. Like, don't let it stop there. If you're feeling good about this content, guys, don't be afraid to spend some money.
Yeah. Help yourself. Go for it.
Nagalit kayo sa pera, di ba? Gusto niyo ng emotional na decisions. Sir mo, shut up and take my money. Shut up and take my money.
Guys, like, if you are just too stressed on, mas mo dyan yung kwarta, give it to us. Let us handle your money.
No, pero
kami na lang mas stress for you.
Pero on a more serious note, like since you asked that question, Tones, I would like to speak to it. Like I would like to say, what really is the best investment? Is it stocks? Is it bonds? Is it mutual funds? Is it?
Gwapo ni mo, wala na siya katong hanging ba padulong sa isulti lang tos hanging for the next episode.
And I'll tell you that in the next episode.
No. Say it. Answer it.
First, on that note, pause lang sa pause.
Pause lang sa daw.
Sige, so to me, the best investment that you can put money into, guys, so far I've realized this, it's in your ability to produce wealth.
Ay.
All right? Put money into your ability to produce wealth. And we will expound on that further in our next conversation ni Tony. I will create a new YouTube video about it. It's in the works, guys, pero daghan pa kayo points nga ato i-expound dira. Pero kana focus lang sa dira, guys. The best investment that you can make is in your ability to produce wealth. Okay, teaser point. 5K nimo, 'di ba? Ibutang nimo sa stocks or sa bonds, you can earn like 10% or something like that in a year. Kaning 5K nimo, invest nimo in learning, ability to produce wealth, in learning the high value skills. For example, sa online, editing, podcasting, mga things like that. I-invest na nimo in learning that. In 5 months, may mo ng 150K na imong 5K if you get a client who will pay for that. Tell me that's not a good investment.
It is. Wow. Nindot bitaw, no? So, invest in yourself.
This is a bit meta.
To produce
Yes.
Yeah, this is a bit meta, guys. Pero imuna na ako para kila Tony and Swin. They have courses that you can learn from. Invest in those. Yes, I'll sell it for you guys. I'm not getting anything from this, guys, just so you know. Pero para sa ako, that's one starting point. Consider it. Tanawa lang good, 'di ba? You're an online kanang aspirant or kanang mid-level, starting level, mid-level. These are the things that you need to invest in.
True.
Your ability to produce wealth. And I will expound on that further in our next conversation kay murag na press at the time. And I will also make a YouTube video on it. Pero kanala sa guys, that's my no cliffhangers. That's the answer to the question.
Wow. Mo na si pangalan sa mong YouTube page.
Yes, thank you. So ang kuha na ako, YouTube page na ako is Mon Alberto PH. I-search lang Mon, M-O-N, Alberto. Nana sa description, guys. It's easy to spell. Dali lito ko, no? So, i-search lang Mon Alberto PH. Yan, magawas na to akong channel dito.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, through the process, I felt attacked. And I'm like, okay, felt attacked na po, pero okay. I guess, ilala, module na itong ultimate goal there is to attack people.
Attack on Titan.
Kanang to attack them in that level ba nga? Ala, hindi ko lagi ko ato. Para put nice something but to dili man coerce, pero like to help them move into somewhere. Kanang mairog ang
By kunwari na-attack ka ato, it's because I also went through that process. Because it's so relatable, right? Agian maguna ko na. So, okay, this is... So, now I'm speaking from it now, from experience. Pero at some point, niagi po ko. Siguro, guys, I'm not condemning you. I'm encouraging you. No, it's good. It's good to be able to manage your finances well, make good decisions, be able to develop a level of self-control in terms of your mind, your emotions. These are all good things. And I will not, I will not discourage somebody who's trying. It's good. No? So if you're trying, you're putting in the effort, I will encourage you. I'll be the first to cheer for you, man. Like, good job.
Diba? Lahi ang richness sa imong sharing if you yourself went through it. At the same time, you don't need to go through this to learn better. Now you have the chance to learn it from other people.
Oh yeah, that's the best way, like sitting on the shoulders of kumaga the ones who went ahead of you, diba? There's this anecdote, medyo morbid siya pero fun din na story. Sige, kwento guys para ma-enjoy naman tayo. The story goes like this. So there was a deer, bear and a fox, and then you know what? Forget it.
Because you said yours, para sa kuha, you don't really need to touch the fire for you to know it burns. Diba?
Oh yeah,
it's hot. So since karon there's so much content, there's so much people talking about experiences and expertise or whatever they are good at, it's also nice to listen para nakay chance ba nga ma-aware ka before even committing that same mistake, ana. Pero kung gusto medyo wild imong gustos kinabuhi, go through it, bahala ka. Pero ikaw mag-decide by the end of the day. Bito mo.
Nalang ta dire guys para to support tayo. Laugh at your mistakes.
Yes. Tingnan.
Now guys,
salamat ka.
Yeah, we made the oh yeah, thanks Tony, like we made the mistakes ourselves already, so kana learn lang from it. Sige. Pero yes, thank you for the time as well and the opportunity to be able to share something to you guys and to the audience today.
I do hope our audience, kamo listeners, nalingaw mo. So I did left a teaser sa previous episode na we're gonna talk about some financial and everything. So usually when people think financial, basig boring, nil topic, technical.
Di man boring pa ba si Mon?
Hindi naman good boring Oban si Mon. Nalingaw mo sa mga hirit, katawa, and realizations and stories.
This is like the usual conversations na mo. So hindi na dyan siya kabuhang all the time.
So yes, kabuhang nanay, dala,
Buhang with a sense. Buhang with a sense.
Buhang with a sense.
Buhang with a sense.
What a nice term.
Yes. Pero if you wanted to know more about what Mon teaches on saying mo tanan, you can always the description is in the comment section.
The link is in the description.
Yes, yun. Can you say that?
The link is in the description.
Sila storya. Go.
The link is in the description.
Yun. Pwede. And we'll have another episode with Mon. And then in the future, in the next few weeks, we'll never know. We'll figure that out. Okay, busy ni tao si Mon.
Ay,
Yun.
mahirap gilapin.
Salamat kayo. Thank you, Mon. Thank you, everyone na nagtanaw, nag-listen to this episode.
And we will see you all in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.